Construction has a hugely important role in the Welsh economy if you think about not only the jobs it provides directly, but it also, of course, it's building the infrastructure through which other parts of our economy are going to be able to grow and to thrive as well.
CITB has always been a representative for the industry, particularly at levels of government.
I have worked very closely with the CITB for many years now, and they have helped us deliver the objectives through its support and funding mechanisms.
Why I was doing the apprenticeship was to improve myself as a person, communicating, working in groups, and from doing the apprenticeship I have improved immensely.
The construction centre here in Pencoed was opened in 2011. It was given state-of-the-art facilities, allowing students to work in a real environment as near as possible. We're actually delivering careers, and it's not just qualifications, but actually preparing people with the skills and the competencies. Are they ready for work in terms of timekeeping, punctuality, IT skills, literacy skills, numeracy skills?
It pushes you into an adult role, sets you up for later life. I mean, getting up in the early mornings, actually having a wage that you can live off.
We'd like to see certainly more females taking up the opportunities within the construction sector. We've run 2 events this year in terms of women into construction and engineering, so we're trying our very best to raise the level. We started to work in terms of multi-skilling. Plumbing remains very popular, as does civil engineering and highways engineering at the moment. And moving forward, starting to consider things such as modern manufacturing methods for construction.
The USCAP framework is designated as a skills academy, the first framework in the UK to do so, and CITB has developed a shared apprenticeship programme in the area and supported over 100 apprenticeships through our 21st Century Schools programme.
One of the fantastic things about the construction industry is that it has always taken on board the importance of training the next generation of young people coming through.
By multi-skilling all our existing workforce and upgrading them to a higher standard has enabled us to look for bigger contracts with a lot more complexity, and having the CITB is a big opportunity for us as their pool of resources is quite big, so we can tailor-make training plans to suit our needs and requirements.
Coming from a trade background and not having the leadership and management skills, I realised that I needed to get more business minded. And for us, that's where really the CITB came in again. Business development, leadership and management. The model that we've adopted through the Growth Project has been extremely successful. In fact, I targeted to get 30% of my work through negotiation this year, and in fact we've exceeded that by quite a long way.
We have continually worked with our CITB liaison officer. We explain what we require for future contracts coming up, and then we develop our own in-house training programme with their assistance, and CITB selecting what processes can be of use to us.
For me, CITB is a guardian and, if you like, the mentor for all of us as companies.
As the economy starts to pick up and really take off, and we're seeing a lot of growth at the moment, we'll start to see more construction projects coming online. So we see, for example, in Cardiff Bay, there are new housing developments near the sports village and new sports facilities there too, which are providing a boost to the construction industry, but also then through that boost, providing those training opportunities for young people coming through.
I think out of all the ways to learn, an apprenticeship is the best way because there's not many ways where you can earn whilst you learn. I would recommend it to others because from the beginning of my apprenticeship to the end, the change in me has been immense.